What's up, guys? Thank you for checking out another video here at Mobile Accessory Reviews, and on this channel we will review anything related to mobile accessories and or Android tablets. So let's get right into the video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Zoom mobile phone telescope by ZISHINE or Zhine, or however it's pronounced. Alright, let's get into it. Inside of the box here, different use case pictures and things like that. It's contents of the box, what you're going to get inside the box. Right to the front of the box. Let's get into it. The unboxing part. Let's see if I can get a shot without the lens, without the telephoto. Look how far. Big difference. Big difference. Even zoomed in. Still. So my final thoughts about the Zoom telescope lens. I think it's a really good lens, especially if you like into like bird watching, or you want to take photos that are pretty much far away or anything like that. I think it's a good buy. Me personally, I personally won't use this as much. Yeah, I probably won't get much use out of this one, but I think it's a good buy for those who are looking, who are into like duck watching, or just want to have your phone set up and look at bird feeding or whatever have you, whatever case that you might want to use this long lens for. It's really good for like photographer. You want to get good photos that are far away with your phone. Maybe you travel a lot, maybe you go, you travel, you go on vacation, maybe you go to Grand Canyon or whatever have you, and you want to shoot something that's pretty far away. This is a good lens to have, but as far as like regular everyday use, I personally won't use it. But me personally, I have a big wide phone. I have the ZTE blade, so my phone is pretty wide. So this stand is like not sturdy when it comes to my phone. It depends what type of phone you have. So a certain phone will vary. So I went out and purchased a tripod that's more sturdier. So this is more user friendly for my phone. It's pretty wide. It stretches pretty. This is the one that came with the lens. So I took off the one I came with and put this one on. But all in all, it worked out perfect. So let me know what you guys think. Comments below. All right.